Hey artists, today we're going to draw a super cute dog cartoon character. I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. You'll need a pencil and a marker. We'll use the pencil first because it's easy to erase if we make a little mistake. Once we're happy with our drawing, we'll go over it with our marker to make it nice and bold. Pencils ready? Let's begin. Every awesome drawing starts with simple shapes. Draw a circle near the top of your page for your dog's head. Take your time. It doesn't have to be perfect. A slightly wobbly circle is just fine. Now let's add the body. Underneath the head, draw two nice big ovals. Make sure the top oval is touching the bottom of the head. Great job! Let's draw the legs. Draw two sausage shapes for the front legs. Then draw one oval for the back leg that we can see. Your dog is sitting at an angle, so we can only see 3 legs from here. That's totally normal for cartoon dogs. Things are looking a little messy, and that's perfectly okay. Let's grab our eraser and rub out the lines we don't need anymore. Doesn't that look much better? Add 3 little half circles for the paws. Now draw some tiny toes. Your dog is really starting to come to life! Time for the tail. Draw a curved tail on the back of the body. Nice work! Let's add the face. Draw 2 small circles for the cheeks and 1 bigger curve in the middle for the snout. Add a curve for the chin and a little line joining it to the cheek circle. Things are getting a little messy again. Let's erase the extra lines on the face. There we go, that looks much better. Draw a big curvy line that dips down twice for the top of the smile. Add 1 curved line underneath for the bottom. Now a little curve for the tongue to finish the mouth. Awesome! Next, let's draw 2 big eyes. Start with the first eye. Draw 2 circles, one inside the other. Then draw a little circle that overlaps the top of the inside circle. This is the sparkle, and it's what makes cartoon eyes look so happy. Now let's draw the second eye. This one is made from 2 ovals, one inside the other. Don't forget to add a little sparkle circle to this eye too. Add a cute little nose by drawing 2 lines like this. Let's add a collar around your dog's neck. Then draw a little oval hanging from it for the name tag. Looking great! Now for the ears. Dogs have floppy ears, so draw one on each side of the head. Let them hang down like little floppy flags. Take your time with these. They don't have to match exactly. Let's finish with a few fun details. Add some little tufts of fur on top of your dog's head, around the cheeks, and on the tummy. Then draw a few smile lines around the mouth to give your dog even more personality. Looking fantastic! One last tidy up with the eraser. Rub out any extra pencil lines so your drawing is nice and neat, and ready to trace with your marker. Now take a good look at your drawing. Is there anything you'd like to change? This is the perfect time to erase any lines you don't love and tidy up your shapes. Take your time. Now it's marker time. Carefully trace over your favorite pencil lines. Go slowly, nice and steady. When the marker ink is completely dry, erase all the extra pencil marks. And there it is, your very own cartoon dog. You did an amazing job today. Give yourself a big high five! I hope you had lots of fun drawing with me. I'll see you next time for another fun drawing adventure. Bye!